What's going on, YouTube? Back with a quick recap. Just gonna go over the box that I reviewed about 7 months ago. Show some changes, progress. It's definitely come a long way in the first couple months that I had it. I finally finished this sticker bombing and filling up the pegboard and everything on the back. Got some lights in there. These are actually hooked up. These color changing lights, this power strip. And then when I kill that, it kills all these and anything that's charging. But these are my primary lights. I got those for about 51 bucks on Amazon. Pretty sweet deal. They get brighter or dimmer, so it's a pretty good deal. They're like super cheap. Other changes, I just kind of, filled in everything. I got these little baskets for the pegboard and all my other trays and everything like that to organize with. Got this from Walmart. Got a bunch of stuff from Walmart, actually, that too. Just little things, put all my stuff in. These little guys, all my ROs and bullshit. Multi-points, keys. Try to keep it organized. I got that from Amazon. They sell that in the Cornwall truck as well, but on Amazon it's like $10 versus whatever you pay on the truck. I think this is about the same. Other than that, yeah, same stuff. Extensions, sockets. Got a couple sockets missing. I lengthed out. Same thing on these drawers. I think this one might have been a little different. Added a couple new things like this scraper. This thing's awesome. Really good scraper. Getting off gaskets and all those little small areas and nooks and crannies. I know what's different about this. I probably added this chain wrench in there. I know I didn't have that in there. Maybe a few wrenches. That's that. Same old stuff. I think I added that in there too, I'm not sure. From the last time. I feel like it's just gotten a whole lot more worked in. It's a lot more familiar to me now, and I've gotten a chance to really figure out what fits best where and everything like that. This is just a bunch of blow molded cases. Just those kind of tools, they're not just empty. That'd be a waste of space. Same stuff. I threw a bunch of hammers in there, batteries and shit. If y'all got any questions about this, y'all can leave it in the comments. Throw in whatever y'all want to know, any part numbers, anything. I didn't really get into every single thing I have because there's a whole lot in there, and I just want to do a quick recap and show the progression of this. This locker's come a long way. Actually got a bunch of nuts and bolts organized in these. These are from Home Depot. They are awesome. This is from Walmart. Got a whole bunch of different things in there. Because you gotta eat a bunch of food. My tire patches and stuff like that, break-in kit. And this is a roll around that's not really a roll around. Just got a couple magnetic socket rails up there, all my extensions. A little tray with some of my more commonly used sockets. Commonly used ratchets, some more dailies, and my pry bars and everything, my 1/2 inch, so I got one of each. I just really like these flex heads. I always have to have one of those. I like the 180-degree ones too. I just started using those. Same old stuff. Wheel lock keys. Bunch of power tools that I use on the daily. Pretty much use all those every day. More dailies. This is gonna get filled in more as we go. A couple torque wrenches, hammers and stuff I use every day. Some of these drawers are just like, this is my second mess drawer. Well, there's all kinds of little things that I just like to keep. And that's just junk, literally, except for that. Those two things. A little stool. This thing is awesome. Little caddy. Whenever I'm just running in and out of cars and need to take a couple tools, that thing's awesome. The rest of my stuff, there's my oil drain bucket, jack post, little step ladder somebody gave me. It's awesome. Thank you. Much appreciated. Use it all the time. Roll around creeper. Office chair for when I want to be lazy. Other little creeper chair. Some jack stands, some brake fluid. Cooler and all that shit. And we're back to this. I don't know if I organize this any different. That's pretty much everything in there. I mean, there's stuff all back there. There's all kinds of shit. It's just like all the extras, you know, like liners, extension cords, water, a bunch of wires, just organized stuff, magnetic trays. They're all over. Pictures of my kids, my family. I'm not gonna show y'all those. Cleaner and stuff like that. All my lube stuff, keep that at the bottom. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's all stickered up. This guy's beef jerky's awesome. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to review that real quick and I'll show y'all how far it's come. I've gotten some, good feedback about it, so I just wanted to put this out there, show the potential of this box. And yeah, if y'all have any questions, just leave them in the comments, like, subscribe, do that whole thing, and catch y'all later.